for the inspiration by Chicago. You know our love was meant to be the kind of love to last forever, and I want you here with me from tonight until the end of time. You should know, everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. Baby, you're the meaning in my life.